Hello everyone. Today we are making another recipe. My name is Medina. I'm a nutrition educator here at Gleaners Community Food Bank, and the recipe is orange chipotle chicken. We are going to go over the ingredients. All we need is 1 tablespoon of oil. You can use canola oil or any oil you have available. 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 2 tablespoons of chipotle. So this chipotle is ready. You can buy it at any store, and all you have to do is chop it, or you can buy it already chopped. This is half of a cup of orange juice, and we are adding 1 jalapeno. This is optional. I'm adding it because we want it to be a little bit spicy. And this is 1 pound of chicken. You can use any chicken you have available. If you have some legs, quarters, or thighs, you can use them as long as they are skinless and boneless. We are also adding as optional ingredients corn, cilantro, and we have some brown rice already cooked. You can cook it as you want, and we have some green beans. You can also switch these vegetables for any other ones that you have available. As first step, we are turning on the pan. We want it to be in medium heat, so we don't want it to get too hot. And we are adding the oil to the pan. The tablespoon of oil. You want to spread it out to the pan because you don't want your chicken to get a stick in the pan. So make sure then you spread it out. Next step, we are mixing our seasoning. So we are mixing the cumin and the chili powder. I already have it here combined. So all you have to do is with the teaspoon of the cumin and the teaspoon of the chili powder, mix it up like this, and you will need a plate like this one so you can spread it out. And we will be using this for our chicken. Next step, we are going to coat our chicken. So we have the seasoning here. Coat the chicken on both sides, and after you coat it, you add it to the pan. You can also cut your chicken in small pieces if you want it to cook faster. And just remember then we are adding seasoning, so we don't need to add any salt because we are getting a lot of flavor from the seasonings, from the orange juice, and from the chipotle. We want to stir the chicken. So let it cook for a little bit, for a few minutes on one side, then flip it over. Remember the pan has to be at medium heat. And you will have to let it cook for at least 5 to 10 minutes. And you will notice once it's cooked because the color will change to brown. And also you can check it with a thermometer if you prefer. Remember that for the chicken, we need 165 degrees of internal temp. Once your chicken is brown, like this one, as you can see, you can add the other ingredients. So you have to add the orange juice, chipotle, and a little bit of jalapeno. Let it cook until your sauce thickens a little bit. So while this is cooking, you can prepare your rice. So we are going to let this cook for a little bit, and the same medium heat. So we are going to chop a little bit of cilantro. And be really careful with the knife. Make sure then you don't cut your fingers. I'm gonna cut a little bit of cilantro, or as much as you want. After you chop it, we have to add it to the rice. So remember that our rice is already cooked and ready. So we are adding the cilantro. And this time we are adding the corn, but you can also add any other veggie that you prefer. You can also cook some carrots in a side and have them ready for it, or any other veggie that you like. So this is our rice for the final dish. Once it's ready, this is how it looks like. Our sauce is really good. So we can make our final dish, which is this one. So this is a really good combination about grains, protein, and vegetables. So try to make it and let us know how it went. You can let us know in the comments. And also we have more recipes available on our website. You can go to www.gcfb.org, which is the Gleaners website, and we have many recipes available in 3 different languages. We have Spanish, Arabic, and English. Thank you.